Namaste. Good morning. Welcome to Astro Chandrika YouTube channel. The Astro Chandrika YouTube channel is dedicated to spread the astrological knowledge among the people. I am Venkatramana. Astrology is a passion for me. I have been learning astrology for the past 22 years. And in Astro Chandrika channel, we have got a group of astrologers who are well experienced and very strong fundamental. For any subject to learn or to begin with, or to go to an advanced stage, fundamentals are most important. Therefore, with a view to spread the knowledge of astrology and also to teach astrology from basics to the people who are very much interested in learning astrology, but either they do not have the proper forum to learn, or they do not have time to learn, or but they are very much interested in learning astrology. Many people ask me, sir, why don't you teach astrology to us? But sir, we do not have time to spend because of our day-to-day work and job reasons and other family reasons. We do not have time to spend that much. Therefore, to keeping in view the interest of the astrological enthusiasts, this channel has been started to give astrological principles bit by bit, so that people can learn astrology starting from the basics at their leisure time and in short span of time also. That means short span in the sense not that they can learn is very fast. Short span in the sense we will be giving videos of 10 minutes duration, maximum 15 minutes duration, so that the people can learn astrology whenever they find the time. Basically, at the same time, we are concentrating on teaching of fundamentals, as fundamentals are very important, and many people do not know which book to read or where to start learning astrology. So keeping all those difficulties in mind, we thought that let us share whatever the knowledge we have in astrology for the benefit of viewers. So with this brief introduction, what I'm going to say is, in astrology we have got various things to learn. To begin with, what exactly is astrology? What is the source of astrology? Okay. And do we need to do the elaborate calculations in astrology? Is it required actually? Or can we take the help of softwares for the preparation of birth charts and other things? Okay, all these things, step by step, we will learn. And many people do not even know the simple things like the difference between the Janma Rasi, Lagnam, or Ascendant, or the Sun sign. These three things are different. Okay, people get confused many a times in understanding these points. And there are many yogas in astrology. Some yogas work, some yogas do not work. When the yogas will work. What are the parameters we need to consider for delineating a horoscope? What is the sign? What is the bhava? What is the planet? What is the nakshatra? So everything. So in our upcoming videos, we'll be teaching starting from basics to the advanced learning. Also, the basics may not be of interest for the people who already traveled a lot in astrology, but I feel the basics are very important. So let us learn. There is no hurry. Let us learn step by step. So what we are planning basically is to uh, give videos of 10 minutes duration, at least 2 videos a day, 2 videos in a week, so that it will not be of pressure to you in watching them or learning them. Slowly, you can make notes of what we are teaching. Okay. You need not go through elaborately different kind of books and other things. Whatever we are teaching, please make a note of it. And also watch all the videos one by one so that you will not miss any of the steps. So with this brief introduction, I'll take leave of you and meet you in the upcoming videos. If you like the channel, please give your likes and also subscribe for the channel for getting the notifications of future videos. Thank you very much.